you're at home and a lot of guests start showing up unannounced, you need to give them a good dessert. It has to be quick, but you want to impress them and you don't know what to do. Well, I can help you. Do you have frozen fruit in your freezer? Do you have sugar? Maybe a little bit of egg white? Then you're ready. We can make together the berry duo. What is it? It's a mix of sorbet and mousse. In this case, berry flavored, but you can use almost any fruit. You want to see how? Stay with me. Hi, my name is Diana, the Dummy Cook, and today we're going to do the berry duo. I only need 4 ingredients: frozen fruit, sugar, lemon, and 2 egg whites. Yes, later you will see why. We already chose the recipe in the app. It's waiting for us here, and we're going to get started. But before, please notice that you can do a 4 portion or a 6 portion. If I did 4, see the sugar is changing into 2 ounces, the frozen fruit into 12 ounces, but I'm going to do the 6. Now we need 3 and 18 ounces of sugar and frozen fruit. So let's get started. Yes, I'm going to open the lid. Thank you, Thermomix, for reminding me. We're going to add 3 ounces of sugar. Looking at the scale, 3.3. Oopsies, it's going to be a little sweet. It's a good thing it's a dessert, Diana. And now we're going to blend. 15 seconds. You see all this sugar smoke coming out? Thank you. It really is grinding, right, this sugar? Okay. That tells you that you should, whoa, look at this, party. It's a sugar party. So what that tells you is that you never need to buy confectioner's sugar ever again because you can make it in 15 seconds. Whoa, all right. Sugar's in the air. Okay, scrape down the sides and bottom of mixing bowl with a spatula. Okay, so we want all the sugar on the bottom, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to bring it all down. Next, now we're going to add the frozen fruit, 18 ounces. So I chose berries because it's called berry duo, duh. But you can do this recipe with many flavors. Actually, if you put mint at the same time that you put the sugar, you will have a minty sugar, right? And now you could put pineapple. That one is amazing. But keep thinking, there are many flavors you can play with. All right, so frozen fruit, 18 ounces, let's do it. Perfection. And Thermomix knows that I have 18 ounces. Thank you. Now, really quick for the frozen fruit. It has to be really frozen. This is a recipe that we do constantly at demos. Well, not this one, the Berry Dream. I'll tell you the difference later. And every time that we go to the demo, we say, please have the fruit in the freezer. But many people have it waiting for you on the table, and it's not the same. Make sure that it's frozen, okay? All right, lemon juice. We need 1.5 ounces. I like fresh squeezed lemon always. All right, that half gave us 1 ounce, and we just need half more. Okay, tiny little over is good. Checked. And now we're going to blend. Let's do it. That is normal. Perfect. A lot of people ask, is that normal? It's making a different noise. No, it's different because it's finding a piece of the frozen fruit, then it's not. So don't worry, that's okay. Now we're going to scrape down the sides with a spatula, and you see we're getting to the sorbet part. Scrape down because we want the blades to find everything the next time that is going to be blending. Perfect. See, there's no way the blades are going to miss it. Next, and we're going to blend another 15 seconds. And right now I can hear that it's done because he couldn't find any more pieces. Good. Here we have the sorbet. Okay, so now here's where we're going to see the difference between the Berry Duo and the Berry Dream. For 4.5 years, I've been doing the Berry Dream, and it's great, which is this same recipe, but the end result, when it's only mousse. And Cookie Dough came up with this other option. They said, well, why don't you have the best of both worlds? We're going to get a little bit of this sorbet first, and please bear with me, I cannot make something pretty for my life. I'm going to put the sorbet on the bottom here. I'm using an ice cream spoon. All right, another one and another one. Perfect. And keep doing this for as many cups as you need, depending on how many guests you have, right? The only thing, make sure that you don't run out of the sorbet, because this sorbet is going to turn into mousse. If you have nothing left, then you're not gonna have mousse. Ideally, you will get to a half and half situation. If I wanted to put this in a margarita glass, let's see, I've never done it. I can get a bigger scoop and just put it right in the middle. Perfect. I'm making a mess. And now we're going to continue with the recipe. My recipe is gonna have way more mousse than sorbet, but it's okay, I just want to demonstrate how this works, then you choose what you want. And the instructions did say, place 3 tablespoons of sorbet mixture in each of 6 glasses and set aside or place in freezer while you prepare the second layer. So 3 tablespoons on each of 6 glasses? Yeah, okay, I didn't do that. Like I said, yours is gonna look better, okay? Now we're going to bring everything down again, which it is already. We're going to add the butterfly whisk. You put it in between, and you're not gonna be able to see, but that's okay. Just feel it. It goes in between, and you'll see how it fits and stays. If it doesn't stay, you're not good. Yes, you put it in between the blades, and then you twist a little to the right, to the point that it has resistance. If you twist to the left, then it will come out. But I'm going to put it again, twist to the right, resistance, we're good. All right, it's ready with the butterfly. And here is where we're going to add the 2 egg whites. You can get them from 2 large eggs, or you can buy the pasteurized bottles. A lot of people prefer those. So, up to you. Here we have our egg whites. And that's how we're gonna get this fluffiness going. All right, let's check and move. We're going to whisk, cover, and whisk for 1 minute and 10 seconds. Sure, you tell me. So like we said, the Berry Dream dessert skips this part and it makes everything mousse. Or you could skip the mousse part and have just sorbet. Once you try this recipe, please put in the comments which side do you like the most. I definitely love the mix of both. Alrighty, let's see what we got. Now, the Berry Dream has a different look when you're done, like this one, because the whole thing was mousse. So it's almost coming out of the bowl like a flower. This one is beautiful as well. Ta-da! But it doesn't have that flowery look, right? Like this one. Still, it's going to be amazing on your dessert, so let's go for it. Look at this texture. It's perfect. And let's put them on each one. Now, I just told you before that I cannot make anything pretty for my life. I cannot decorate my house. I cannot decorate a recipe. So please just take my word for it and then share your own pictures with me. Also, I'm using regular glasses. I could have bought one of those beautiful cups, but then what would I leave for you, right? We have another one here. And now we're going to the margarita glass, which is probably gonna look better than the other ones just because there's more room to play with it. I could have removed the butterfly, but I don't want to. I want to get everything out of it first. And look, this one's gonna look cute, cute-ish. And obviously I have much more, but I'm not going to do it right now. And finish. Wow! So, this is beautiful, right? Can you believe it? Like we said, you have guests, you don't know what to do with them. How long did it take me? 5 minutes? Not even. And the taste, I really wish you were here. Really quick, let me show you my ice and sorbet folder. And we're going to go to the Berry Dream. You see that picture? It's all mousse, right? And it's the same steps. You just don't take out the sorbet. Then we have quick fruit sorbet. It's a similar option. If you have guests that are vegan, then go to the vegan fruity dream. Obviously, it's not going to have the egg white. It's going to change it for banana. And then obviously today's recipe, the berry duo, which is my new favorite for these events. Anyway, I hope that you learned something new today. If you like this video, please give me a like or subscribe so you can see more recipes and more tips and interviews and contests. If you have a Thermomix, please tell me you have done this one already. And if you need a Thermomix in your life, you know what to do. Please email me right here or choose my name at checkout. Diana Legissima at your service. And now, time to try this beauty. Wow, that's all you're gonna hear from your guests. Wow, 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 wow. And you, the hostess with the mostest, or the host with the most, right? Anyway, thank you so much. Bye-bye.